Okay, let me ask you this. How many times have you been disappointed when somebody has shown you their agent that is supposed to be smart and it's supposed to be learning all the time, and it turns out that it's a static automation like in N8N or Make, or even worse, it's a custom GPT? However, in 2026, this has changed completely because now we can build a true agentic systems that can learn, that can rewrite their own instructions, and can get smarter over time. So let me show you. And this is a methodology that I have been working on for the past few months. Okay, so meet your dream team. And this is the big brain, which is the CTO, the small brain, which is the manager, and the orchestrators that are the workers. And each layer has a special job, and together they create AI that learns and improves on its own. Okay, so the big brain is like the CTO of the company. It literally watches over the whole system. It spots patterns across the whole system. It keeps an eye on security. It makes system-wide improvements and learns what works best for the health of the whole system. So this is our first layer of learning and first layer of our agentic system, the overall brain. The small brain is like your department manager. It makes decisions based on the workflow they are working in. So each workflow gets its own small brain that becomes an expert at that job because it learns from every single time it runs. It makes smart decisions about how to do the task, tells the worker B, which is the orchestrator, exactly what to do, and it gets better over time. Now, when we move to the orchestrator, it's literally like a worker bee. It takes instructions and executes them, but there's no thinking. It's just a doing worker. It's a loop because it gets the task, it performs the task, then it checks the quality. It uses specific validators to check if what it's doing every step of the way is exactly what the instructions say that needs to be. And if it's not, it loops back to get tasks, so to step number 1. That means that every single time, if something is not exactly as it should be, it loops back until the job is done, that task is done correctly, and then moves on to the next task. And the small brain is actually the intelligence of every workflow because it learns from the past executions, because every time it runs, it logs what happened. And then after so many runs, it actually analyzes everything and it looks at everything that has been happening, and then it creates a proposal that a human has to look over and approve, because we don't want our AIs to run on their own, and then rewrites its own instructions and code, and that makes them get better and better and better over time. So basically, this is how the 3 layers work together. We have the big brain that watches over everything. We have the small brains. So this is workflow 1, workflow 2, workflow 3. They all have a little brain, and they all have the orchestrator, which is the worker that gets the job done. And this is how we are creating extremely agentic and smart systems now. And if you want to have a look at this artifact, I created this artifact with Claude. It's very cool. Just drop me a line and I'll send you the link to it.